Have you ever wondered how researchers draw conclusions? The answer lies in understanding variables and hypotheses. In this video, we will explore these concepts, critical for any research project. Variables are key characteristics we measure. They can be anything from age to test scores. Essentially, they represent differences among individuals or items studied. For instance, if we study height, it varies among people. Variables can be continuous or discrete. Continuous variables can take any value within a range. For example, a firefighter's height can be between 1.70 and 2.10 meters. On the other hand, discrete variables can only take specific values. For instance, we can't have 1.5 students. Next, we have independent and dependent variables. Independent variables are manipulated by researchers to observe effects. For instance, teaching methods are independent variables in educational research. Dependent variables, on the other hand, change in response. They are the outcomes we measure. For example, we might measure students' performance following different teaching styles. Now, let's discuss hypotheses. A hypothesis is an educated guess about the relationship between variables. It's the foundation upon which researchers build their studies. A good hypothesis is testable and based on existing knowledge. There are two main types of hypotheses. The null hypothesis states no significant effect or relationship exists. For example, there is no difference in test scores between students from different schools. The alternative hypothesis suggests a significant difference does exist. To create effective hypotheses, they should be specific and based on existing data. For instance, if we hypothesize that parental involvement affects student achievement, we can test this by observing data from schools. Understanding hypotheses is crucial since they guide research direction. They determine the types of data we collect and the methods we use. Strong hypotheses also make findings easier to interpret. To summarize, we learned about variables, types of variables, and the importance of hypotheses. Strong research starts with clearly defined variables and testable hypotheses. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on research methods.